Dustin here with Prime Edits. Today I want to show you how to submit a job with us from pulling photos off the card all the way through actually uploading it in the app, getting it all completely submitted. So we're going to start here on my desktop. Got my card from a wedding here, and this is what you'd probably be doing the night when you get back from the wedding. I try to get all my stuff uploaded as quickly as possible. One, it's a great way to have an external backup, but it's also a nice way to actually get things moving as quickly as possible in the process. So I like to create a folder on my desktop here first. You can also create it if you have a default pictures location or something like that. I like to give it a good name. We'll call this Smith Wedding. We've got the folder created. We'll go into our memory card. And I've got about 600 and some photos on here. We are going to drag here and let those copy. Alright, now that is almost done copying, we're going to come here, open up our Prime Edits app. Alright, so we've got a photo job here. It's going to be a wedding. We're going to name this the same as my folder. And we're simply going to once again drag these files right into the app. It'll count them for us. It'll automatically start uploading them. So we're going to add some culling to this job. I want about 400 or 450 images from there. Do gallery upload, top picks, noise reduction, camera time sync. Get the JPEG to export it when we're done. Now for a wedding like this, I usually like to have my editor take care of a couple of retouches for me, pick up some of the best photos from the bride, that sort of deal. So we're going to do, say, 5 beauty edit level 1s, take care of some of the bridal portraits, and I'm also going to allocate about, call it 20 retouch level 1s, just to kind of make some of the best photos from the wedding really pop. I'll just go with Prime Correct. This gives me the dodge and burn that I want. So this makes most of the photos come straight out color correction and ready to deliver to the client. 5 business days is great. If you're doing this the night after the wedding, the great thing about that is you actually end up with the images the next Friday. So you're able to schedule the viewing session with your client as soon as they get back from their honeymoon. So next, we've got the total cost for the job here. If you've worked with us before, usually you have a pretty good profile with your editor, but it's always nice to maybe just say something like, simple things like that. Also, if you had any specific instructions to do with those retouches or the beauty edits, you might say, that. Submit the order. Takes just a second to finish up processing here. And as soon as this comes back, you are good to go. It's best at this point to make sure, if you're doing from a laptop like I am here, that you plug it in for the night, leave it open, and at this point I would probably go make myself a scotch and call it a night. We'll let these upload. It says it has about 4 hours remaining in this process. And at that point you're done. When you come back in the morning, just double check that there weren't any upload errors and that everything was good on that end. Your editor will of course double check that on Monday morning to make sure it's all set up for it as well. So it's just that simple, getting things submitted to us. And we'll do another video here shortly as well on how to upload a job with Lightroom Smart Previews. So stay tuned for that. Thanks.